Welcome everyone to my channel Pradeep Pandey Chem. Today we will discuss about the preparation of hand sanitizer in our home according to WHO recommendation. Here two types of method for the preparation. One is for ethyl alcohol based preparation and other is isopropyl alcohol based preparation. For ethyl alcohol based hand sanitizer preparation, we need ethyl alcohol 80%, glycerol 1.45% and hydrogen peroxide 0.125% according to WHO recommendation. But commercially available means we have ethanol 96%, glycerol 98%, hydrogen peroxide 3%. These percentage are commercially available percentage. The problem is how we calculate the actual volume of these chemicals. So we use this formula here. Volume of chemical required to prepare the sanitizer equal to final volume required, means how much volume we going to prepare, multiply by percentage of chemical required in final product divided by percentage of chemical we have, means commercially available percentage of chemical. So using the first formula here seen in your screen, you can calculate the actual volume of given chemicals required to prepare the hand sanitizer in home. For example, for alcohol 1000 is multiplied by 80 because in final product according to WHO recommendation we need 80% alcohol divided by 96 means commercially available percentage of ethyl alcohol gives the exact calculation, that is 833.3 ml of alcohol. Similarly for glycerol means we need 1.45% in our final product, so 1000 is multiplied by 1.45%, but commercially available percentage of glycerol is in general 98%, so 98% is required to divide the above data, that is 1000 multiplied by 1.45% gives the ml 14.79 ml. Similarly for hydrogen peroxide we need to multiply 1000 by 0.125% because in our final product the percentage of hydrogen peroxide need is 0.125, but commercially available percentage of hydrogen peroxide is 3%. So this calculation gives 41.66 ml of hydrogen peroxide. The above data is for WHO recommendation. WHO also recommended 80% ethanol, glycerol 1.45% and hydrogen peroxide 0.125%. According to this, ethanol required at 133.3%, hydrogen peroxide 41.4% and glycerol 14.79%. For isopropyl alcohol based hand sanitizer we need alcohol only 75% in our final product, not 80%, but percentage of glycerol and hydrogen peroxide is same as earlier. But we have commercially available percentage of isopropyl alcohol is 99.8%, glycerol 98% and hydrogen peroxide is 3%. The calculation is same as earlier calculation which we done for preparation of ethyl alcohol based hand sanitizer and hand rub. By calculating WHO recommended the volume we need to mix for the preparation of 1000 ml of hand sanitizer based on isopropyl alcohol is, if isopropyl alcohol percentage is 99.8%, we need 751.50 ml, hydrogen peroxide 41.6 ml if 3% is available. Similarly, glycerol needs 14.79 ml if percentage of glycerol available is 98%. So by mixing these three volumes we get 807.95 ml of mixture. Rest of water is added in this mixture and final volume made up to 1000 ml. In this way we can prepare 1000 ml of hand sanitizer based on isopropyl alcohol. This simple method how we can prepare hand sanitizer in our home. But for alcohol affects our skin, so for a smoothness we can mix 5 to 7 spoonful aloe vera gel in our final mixture. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.